Konnichiwa, welcome to How to Japanese series. In this video, we will be looking at imasu versus arimasu. The little boy just received a telescope. He looks up and says, Neko ga imasu. There is a cat. He looks again, this time into the coffee shop, and says, Kohi ga arimasu. There is coffee. Imasu and arimasu are used to describe the existence of the cat and the coffee, respectively. In English, we can translate them as there is or there are, depending on if the noun mentioned is singular or plural. Again, to describe there is or there are, we use imasu and arimasu. To describe there is a cat, we will say neko ga imasu. To describe there is coffee, we will say kohi ga arimasu. Please note we put people and animals in front of imasu to describe their existence, and we put things, objects in front of arimasu to describe their existence. In addition, please also note they are followed by particle ga. Here are 5 more images. Would you put them before imasu or arimasu? Let's see. Books. Hon ga arimasu. Dog. Inu ga imasu. Child. Kodomo ga imasu. School. 学校があります. Please note, even though ki, tree, or trees are living things, we would say 木があります. If you would like to describe the location where a person, an animal, or a thing is, we would put the place in front of the sentence followed by particle ni. Particle ni is used to describe at this place, to indicate at this place someone, some animal, or something exists. Taka is recovering from an eye surgery and can't see, so Hana is describing to him what is near her. So she says, ここに猫がいます. Here near me there is a cat. Then she says, そこに犬がいます. There near you there is a dog. そこに木があります. There is a tree there. However, we can change ga to mo to say also. We can also skip そこに in the second sentence. So the sentences say そこに犬がいます. 木もあります. Please note we have to put them into 2 sentences since inu the dog uses います and ki the tree uses あります. Then Hana says あそこに先生がいます. There, away from both of us, there is a teacher. ここ、そこ、あそこ can be used as a place to describe who, what animal, and what thing is there. So how do we ask questions? This time, Hana is the one recovering from her eye surgery. There is a cat here in Japanese is ここに猫がいます. If she wants to know if there's a cat here, all she has to do is add ka in the end of a sentence. So the sentence would say ここに猫がいますか? Again, there is a dog is 犬がいます. There is a tree 木があります. There is a teacher 先生がいます. Now, Hana wants to know what animal is there, what thing is there, and who is there. What animal is there in Japanese is 何がいますか? We will use the question word 何, what. And since we're asking about animals, therefore, we would use the existence word います. To ask what thing is there, we would say 何がありますか? We will use the question word 何, what. And since we're talking about things, we would use the existence word あります. To ask who is there, we would say 誰がいますか? We will use the question word 誰, who, and since we're talking about people, we will use the existence word います. Next, we will compare the 2 particles ni and de used in the 3 sentences here. The first sentence says ここに来ます, which means I will come here. Particle ni means to a place. The second sentence is also using particle ni. ここに本があります. It means here in this place there are books. Ni means in this place or at this place. Someone, some animal, or something exists. As you can see, the 2 ni's function differently. The third sentence here says ここで コーヒーを飲みます。Particle de is being used since ここ here is where I would drink coffee. The action of drinking coffee takes place. Even though ni and de can be used after places, the particles here all function differently. Next, let's listen to how Taka talks about his hometown and what's there.
僕は嵐山の出身です。嵐山は京都にあります。京都にお寺があります。神社もあります。
What about you? Where are you from? What is in your hometown? Don't forget to use あります or います to describe what or who is there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. ではまた。